Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the 7 pieces makeup brush set with walnut wooden handle. Professional makeup brush tool with super dense synthetic fiber, powder brush, eyeshadow, foundation blush brushes. Oh yeah, that is super dense powder brush. The diameter of the powder brush hair is about 5 centimeters. The height is 5 centimeters, of course. Really thick, soft, perfect for professional and beginners. Because I'm a beginner. Super soft bristles made of premium synthetic fiber, soft for touch, never hurts your skin, no shedding, no fading, absorb less liquid scents, creams, easy to pick up powder, walnut wooden handle, timeless use with brown cone-shaped fancy look, supply comfortable feeling, no slippery, no distorting, no fading, no cracking, no shrinkage. Professional cosmetic brush set is this. The brush set is perfect for liquids, powders, or creams to produce a beautiful face and eye makeup application. Can meet your daily use, including Kabuki foundation brush, concealer, eyeshadow brush, blush, and powder brush, etc. That it is. Ooh, it looks beautiful. That is the first brush. It is a concealer brush or color corrector. Is a type of cosmetic that is used to mask dark circles, age spots, large pores, and other small blemishes visible on the skin. Oh, and you can use it easily. As you can see, I like it because it's a little bit harder to get a perfect line, and you can work easy with this brush. That will give your blackheads a better cover or your other irritations of your skin. Nice and easy to use. And it is in a good shape and a good handle. If you're holding this brush, it is good into your hand. The next brushes are EyeShadow brushes. This set contains 3 of them. One hard, one medium, and one soft. Or you can say one tiny, one medium size, and one large brush of them. Eyeshadow is a cosmetic that is applied on the eyelids and under the eyebrows. It is commonly used to make the wearer's eyes stand out or look more attractive. Eyeshadow can add depth and dimension to one's eyes, complement the eye color, makes one's eyes appear larger, or simply draw attention to the eyes. Eyeshadow comes in many different colors and textures. It is usually made from a powder and mica, but can also be found in liquid, pencil, cream, or mousse form. Civilizations across the world use eyeshadow predominantly on females, but also occasionally on males. In Western society, it is seen as a feminine cosmetic, even when used by men. In Gothic fashion, black or similar dark-colored eyeshadow and other types of eye makeup are popular among both sexes. And here is the same. You can use the ones for your rounding, the others for your lid, and so. Eyeshadows can be applied in a wide variety of ways depending upon the desired look and formulation. Typically, application is done using fingers or brushes. In this case, we are using a brush. Because of the set, the most important aspect of applying eyeshadow and makeup in general is blending well. However, you must not forget to include a primer to limit the chance of creasing in your eyeshadow later. And these 3 brushes will do this for you. One is for your focus style, the other is for the area above, and the third thing I like to use around your eye. And this is to use it around your eye and to make a nice and easy look eye. Nice and easy. There are 3 of them. These are eyeshadow brushes. And one is smooth, the other is medium style, and the third is not hard. It is focused style brush. But you can use all of them in one set. I like this because you buy only one set and it's not so expensive. It is a cheaper one. And then you can use it. And if you do not use all of them, you can take another brush for other works too, of course. Let's go to the next brush in this set. It is a foundation brush. A foundation is a multicolored makeup applied to the face to create an even, uniform color to the complexion, to cover flaws, and sometimes to change the natural skin tone. Some foundations also function as a moisturizer, sunscreen, astringent, or base layer for more complex cosmetics. Foundation applied to the body is generally referred to as body painting. And you can use this foundation brush to make the first layer of your makeup. It will give you a basic to make more with your face. For example, you can use these brushes not only for your head, you can use it on your skin, all of your body, of course. And this brush is cutted a little bit other than the others, and so you can use it easily to make a nice basic feature. And you can see the brush is nice, really nice. I like them. It is the same holding position at the end, and it has a smooth surface at the front of the brush. Nice brush. Let's go to the blush brush. The blush brush is for rouge. Rouge, also called blush or blusher, is a cosmetic for coloring the cheeks in varying shades or the lips red. It is applied as a powder or a cream. And you can use this brush easily for this. Modern rouge generally consists of a red-colored talcum-based powder that is applied with a brush to the cheeks to accentuate the bone structure. The coloring is usually either the petals of safflower or a solution of carmine in ammonium hydroxide and rose water perfumed with rose oil. A cream-based variant of rouge is Schneider, a colorless mixture of aloxan with cold dream, which also colors the skin red. And you are going to see how you can use this brush on your skin. Easy going. You can see these edges are smoother than the brush before because you have to use this on special areas on your head or on your face skin, of course. So, last but not least in this set is a powder puff. The powder brush is a powder puff brush. These are a piece of a soft material. Oh, so smooth. It's used for the application of face powder. They may be shaped as a brush in this case. Historically, powder puffs have been made of very fine down feathers, cotton, fine fleeces, etc. In modern times, synthetic materials are widely used for powder puffs, and this it is synthetic materials, but it has a nice feeling on the skin, really nice, easy to perform and easy to handle. But it is a big brush, but it is normal. A powder brush has to be big, and you can use it easily to make a finish of your makeup artist. So that it is all the 7 pieces in this makeup brush. I like them. See you next time again. Soon.